Now I know it. Now I know it. Now I know it. Now I know it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. I am literally loving this look. It's my favourite time of year, and glitter, you probably would know if you follow me on my Instagram, I am absolutely obsessed. I'm so thrilled with how this turned out. It just was so easy to do as well and so simple. This video is sponsored by Rhetoric, which is a ethical, sustainable, slow fashion brand based in Cardiff and Devon. They're such a good brand for helping the environment. Their clothes are all sustainable. The glitter that they sell is all eco-friendly, which is how I created this look. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. This is actually quite early in the morning right now. It is, actually it's only 11 o'clock, can't really complain. I'm going to just have a play around because I haven't actually had like a good play around with glitter in ages. Really excited. My hair, I did like wool braids and then stopped it by here, put elastic band and just kind of let them do their own thing. I've done a tutorial on this sort of thing before. I actually have 2 videos, festival hairstyle videos, so if you'd like to see that, I'll link them in the description box and maybe on the iCards. So I'm going to do my base first. You guys have seen me do my base so many times, so I'm going to skip through this bit, but I will put all the products down below if you're interested. I'll be back with you in a bit. I've done my base, I've done my eyebrows. I have a couple of photos for inspiration, which are from Pinterest. Pinterest is so good for some inspiration, festival ideas or just general makeup ideas. I really like this photo with the glitter, so I might recreate this. Also, I'm going to try and create some sort of cool bluey purpley eye thing as well. I have this palette which I created on Beautynomy. I did work with them on this collaboration quite a while ago, but I found myself really dipping into this palette. Firstly, dip into this lilac colour here. It's called Tatty. Go in the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to move on to this darker purple colour here. I'm really excited that it's Boomtown this weekend for everyone that's going. I'm not going, which is so sad. I love Boomtown. It's my favourite festival. Right before my corner of my eye, I'm going to stop, blend it all in. I'm going to take this bluebell colour here, which is like a really bright true blue colour, and just kind of dab it. Bring it towards the middle of your eye so it's kind of like a wing shape. Brushes are so important in this. When you're using a lot of colours, you want to always keep a brush that's quite fluffy and clean so that you can just blend them all out together. You end up looking like this, and now I'm going to match it on the other eye. And so this is what your eyes should look like. I think it'll be easier to do the glitter and then my eyelashes, so I'm going to do the glitter. This video is obviously sponsored by Rhetoric, which I did tell you at the beginning. This does not mean that I'll feel a certain way about a product just to market it to you. I'm super fussy with the brands that I work with, and I only decided to work with them because I thought that they were such an amazing brand. What they're doing is absolutely amazing. So I've got 3 of the glitters here. They come in this little tin packaging. I have the Ocean Waves, the Lilac and the Silver Chunky. I'm not going to lie, it does get a bit messy, so prepare yourself. When you're taking this off, which no one talks about, so I'm going to talk about now, make sure that you are using something dry, like a dry tissue or something like a dry hairbrush to like bristle it up, and then it'll just fall off. If you put a wet wipe on glitter, it'll just smear all over your face, so make sure that you are aware of that when you're at your festival, because some people definitely go and reach for the wet wipe when they're all like drunk, like they end up with a glitter mess on their face. This brand Rhetoric I will link down in the description box down below, but they are a slow, small, independent business. They provide branded clothes and they also provide eco-friendly glitter, which is why I am doing this video. It's so important to now invest in biodegradable glitter. Like, why the hell wouldn't we be doing that in the first place? It just blows my mind. Bio glitter is actually easier to use in my opinion. This glitter is made out of plant cellulose, a lot more durable. The festivals were bad enough anyway with like leave-in tents and like plastic bottles. And I think by just having something like this, you're gonna like feel guilt-free and it's something to be proud of. You're actually helping so much. So I'm really excited to use this glitter. I need to pick like a colour to do that little situation, and I think the lilac that I've got is super fine, so I might use the lilac. But oh my god, look at that. You guys know that this is my pride and joy when it comes to glitter. The only thing I use, wet look, makes it super shiny. This will last you for such a long time as well, and you can get minis of these as well if you want to take them to a festival. I'm going to use the tiniest brush possible and kind of just like soak it in that gel. I'm going to go straight into the pot of Rhetoric glitter. I'm going to start right in the corner. Kind of like create like a little line. If you're not getting a straight line, don't worry, because you can always just go in with your finger like that and then it'll create like a nice line. And then flicking it upwards. Take my nail here and just kind of skim that over quite firmly to get like a nice line. And then it looks like this. Match the top to the bottom basically. Like, it's such a beautiful colour. A little trick to like how to get rid of this all this fallout is use a spoolie, a dry spoolie, and just kind of like lightly brush it over. Fast light strokes to get rid of the fallout. I'm really happy with what it looks like. It looks so cool. I do need to put my eyelashes on. I usually get my eyelashes in bulk from Amazon, and these are the ones I've got at the moment. They're super fluffy. They are F840. I will link them in the description box. If you wear a lot of lashes, it's a really good way of like getting a bulk lash. So cheap and they look so pretty. Just add some like black powder over the top because I hate it when you can see, because I've got blonde hair, you can see like the glue or like the shine of the lashes. Grab a black eyeshadow. This is from the Huda Beauty palette obviously because I just use it all the time. Dab this flat-ended brush. I'm just going to add some mascara. I'm using the Superhero It Cosmetics mascara, which is my favourite one. The brush is just amazing. Like, go back and forth on the roots. Just a little bit on the bottom. I'm just going to add some bronze to my face. I literally have like hit pan with this. I absolutely love it. It's the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I'm just going to like bronze up my face a bit. I don't want to go too hard with the contour because realistically at a festival I probably won't spend hours doing my face. Make sure you do the chin. I am going to go into my Jeffree Star highlighter, which I can't actually show you because I don't know if you can see. Fully like smashed. One of my favourites. This is the one in Ice Cold. I had an idea about doing like a stencil with a little bit of paper. So this is a tiny bit of paper I just found. I'm just gonna like kind of stencil out like a heart and then stick it to my face. I think I've done a good job. And then I'm gonna do a smaller one as well. I've done a big one and a small one, and I'm just gonna like kind of play around with like stencils. Make sure that bit that you've cut into here is like closed, because else the glitter will seep out. I'm gonna start with the silver. Pop that on like one side. And then I'm gonna dip into the blue, the chunky mix. And then into the fine lilac. take it off, and it's a heart. Yay, it worked. Kind of make those lines a bit more. If you're like feeling lazy at a festival, this is like gonna be a lifesaver. I'm gonna do another one. Oh my god. Yay! Oh my god, I literally am obsessed. Honestly, I am so happy with it. I'm just going to put some lipstick on now to finish. Either a pink or a dark colour. I think I'm going to go for a pink. The pink blush Rimmel. This is a classic of mine. It is literally like the best pink ever. Got the Topshop Chameleon eyeshadow in Wax and Wane, which is like a chrome purpley greeny colour. I'm going to take my ring finger and just dab a little bit off there in the centre. That like sort of chrome spacey vibe. I always use eyeshadows for lipstick. Quick spritz with the Revolution Makeup Revolution Glow Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray, which is going to enhance everything. And so that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup look. I'm absolutely thrilled with like how it turned out. I would definitely wear this at a festival. Honestly, it was so easy to do with the stencils. Like, it's really like DIY. You could definitely just pre-do the stencils, take it away with you to a festival and do this sort of vibe. It's so like cosplay vibe. If you want to see more of this type of video, then always let me know and I'll definitely do that for you. All the products will be linked down below, including the Rhetoric products. So thank you so much, Rhetoric, for sponsoring this video. And yeah, I will see you in my next one, guys.